How to cancel non-refundable bookings on Agoda. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to the or sign into your Agoda account, and once inside the Agoda account, click on your account name in the upper right corner, then select My Bookings from the drop down. Then you can also get here by clicking Manage by Bookings on your booking confirmation email. Now on the booking page, find and select the booking you would like to cancel under the upcoming and cancel at the top or at booking condition sections at the bottom. After you click cancel booking, you will see this pop up. Then select a reason for a cancellation from the little drop down, then click continue with cancellation. On the following page, click on the cancel this booking. Then you will then see a message reading your booking was cancelled successfully. Expect a confirmation email to arrive within 10 minutes. It will look like this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.